Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Josiah. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make pancake minis. Okay. I really need to be careful. I need to be careful doing this. Thanks, Mom. Now, let me face that here. Whatever. So what you need, of course you need a plate. Sorry, you can't see this. Plate. There. C plate. I suggest like 25 seconds or something like that for these. Focus. Oh
my! That's not gonna work.
Yes, it will. Okay, whatever. I'll just try and put that over there. Get this. Open up the. Forgot. Open it up. Looks like a dinner box when I do this. Wait. I'm gonna set this down. Get these out. So now I'm just gonna get me out. However many I want. I'll take like 5. No, 6. There. I'll put this in here. Do that. Do this. I'll put these back in the fridge. And there. Got it. Okay. So now, pancake minis. Now, you're probably guessing that I can't do anything with these right now. So I'm going to put these up here, show you that they are up in there. See, right there. Let's get them back. And now, shut it. Now, set it to 10-second individuals if it doesn't work the first time, but do 20 seconds, and then start. Sorry, I'm having to. Okay, there. So now, watch the clock. You just wait 20 seconds. See if they're done by then. If they're not, which they're probably not going to be right now. So I'm going to take these down. Shut that. No, they're pretty frozen still. Okay. Think I'm actually, just to be safe, I'm going to go another 20. I'm going to shut this. Click 0, start. Now wait. Man, this has been 4 minutes. Sometimes this does take a while. So just wait for these. I don't even know if you can. Oh, you can see them in there. You can see them like twirling around. Okay, so go and check in here. Smells good. Ow, hot, 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 hot. So there you go. That is how you make pancake minis in the microwave. Goodbye.